Jump in!
Today is a good day to relax and do some gardening. It is also a good day to run around and play.
Hop, hop, hop.
Careful!
Sorry.
Whoa! That's it!
Everyone loves to run around and play.
Oh! Watch out! The flowers! Oh.
Oh, sorry. That was an accident.
Oh, don't worry. Accidents happen. Accidents like this.
He got you, Mummy.
Oh, you've done it now.
Oh dear. Then the seeds. Eh? And don't forget the water. Oh, what is that? What are you two doing up there? Ah, let's not be hasty. It was just a joke. Oh dear.
Mummy and Daddy Pig's relaxing gardening day has turned into family splash fun.
George!
Gotcha!
Watch out, George! We've got you.
Nowhere to run, Daddy Pig.
Whoa!
Everyone has run out of water. The garden has turned into a wild garden.
Maybe it's time to put everything back together.
Perfect. And at least we gave the flowers a good watering.
Everyone loves playing and gardening at the treehouse, and everyone can't wait to dry off.